Alright, hello guys, thanks for making it back to Creative Studios once again. Alright, in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create a colorful 3D text effect in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's create a new document. You can also choose any document of your size, okay, but the orientation should be landscape. So then I create. Now this is my document I have created, and that if you have realized it looks too much plain, so let's add some little color to make it more attractive. Alright, so right click on the adjustment layer, you select gradient, okay, then you select the style as radial. Alright, then the scale should be 243, okay, 24, let me type it rather, 243. Okay, so that's it. Then what is the name? Then the gradient type should be what? Black and white, and then you choose your colors respectively. Okay, so let me choose this one. Okay, this. Let me add a different one to it. Okay, and then the last one, which is this one. I think this is okay. Okay, so this looks more colorful. Okay, so now delete the background. Okay, then you delete the gradient fill. So this is what we have as what our background. Now choose your type tool, your text tool, sorry, this way. Okay, then you type out your word. You type out your word. You can choose any word, but I choose hello. Alright, this is what I want. Then I increase my size the way I would want it to move it to the center of your document. Now add a little arc to the text by using the warp tool. Okay, you choose arc, you reduce it from 50 to 14%. Okay, you drop it, then you click on FX, then you choose stroke. Okay, so the stroke 24 is enough for me. Alright, choose the same color as I'm moving. Okay, this is enough for me. So let's get started, or let's continue and see how beautiful this 3D text effect will be. Please do not rush, okay, or else you will crash. Now after you are done giving it a stroke, what we should be doing right now is we have to duplicate this text. Okay, we have to duplicate this text by pressing Ctrl J, duplicate it. We've gotten one text, is that not it? So now press Ctrl T, then hit the top arrow key of your keyboard and the right arrow key of your keyboard again, then you press enter on your keyboard. This is it. Are you getting it? So now we are coming to make duplicate of this text. Okay, we are coming to make duplicate of this text or multiple times, or simultaneously multiple times. Okay, so we are going to press control plus alt plus shift plus T. Okay, control alt shift plus T. Okay, that is one. Like that, you move. Okay, let's add another one. So I said control plus alt plus shift plus T. Are you getting it? So now let's merge all these together into one group. So select hello, copy 5, then move and select this one by holding the shift, then press here. Now rename it as extrusion. Okay, extrusion 1, then you press enter on your keyboard. Alright, so now let's remove the stroke from the top layer. So you right click, then select clear style. Okay, so over here we are coming to create what's the name, another extrusion. Alright, but before we create the extrusion, we have to change the color from black to orange. Okay, so this, okay, from black to orange. So how are we going to do it? Okay, so as I demonstrated to you, Control J, have you seen it? Control T again, top arrow key, right arrow key, enter. Then control plus alt plus shift plus T. Like that, you proceed. Okay, all right. Okay, you can add one to it. It's okay, make it 12. So you add this one to, you merge all into a group, starting from hello, copy 11, then select this one, hold shift and select this one, then click here. Okay, then rename it as extrusion 2. Okay, so if you are following the right steps, you should be getting the exact content you are seeing on your computer screen. All right, so we are done merging them into one group. Again, what are we supposed to do? Rename the top layer by double clicking it. You just wipe out the copy 12, then you press enter. We are done renaming it. So over here we will create a yellow gradient. So how are we going to create a yellow gradient is what we are looking at. So adjustment layer, and then okay, gradient overlay. Okay, gradient overlay. So my settings is already there. So if you are facing difficulties on how to get the settings, just follow the on-screen description. So the colors are already here. Okay, you click here, you double click inside, then you choose any color of your choice. This one we said a yellow gradient, so this way. Have you seen it? Okay, something like this. You click on OK, you select this, you click here, then you select this. Okay, that's how we select the gradient. So now you click on OK. All right, are we done? No, we are not done. After creating the yellow gradient, we have to add what we call the inner glow. So go to the gradient again, then we select the inner shadow. Okay, inner shadow. So this is inner shadow. All right, this is inner shadow. So the inner shadow, I think we should follow the on-screen description over here. The angle should be 141. Okay, that's the only difference. The angle should be 141. Opacity should be 75. The blend mode should be what? Screen. And then choke 0, size what? 1. Okay, then you click on OK. We are almost done. Okay, so you hide this one to get a neat work. So now we are going to change the top layer. Okay, we are going to change the color of the top stroke by clicking on the arrow beside the what? This extrusion. You select this one, you drag it into a group. I get it. Then you name it as extrusion front. I getting the point. You press enter on your computer keyboard. Now if you are done naming it as extrusion front, click on FX, move your mouse pointer to inner shadow. Then after inner shadow, make sure you uncheck the use global light and follow the on-screen description. Okay, so over here it is already set. All right, so opacity should be 52. Your angle should be -161. Distance 8, choke 8, and then how do we call it? The size should also be 8. Now let's add a color overlay. Okay, color overlay. The color overlay is also setted. You can choose it. You can choose any size or any color of your choice. Sorry, for burning. So that's it. Then you click on OK. So lastly, to get this job done, we are supposed to add a shadow to this extrusion one. So you select it, you click on FX, then you select what we call drop shadow. All right, so increase the opacity to 100%. all right, blend mode should be multiply. The angle 5% is okay for me. Then you follow distance, spread, and then size. Okay, then you click on OK. Hope you have followed the right steps as I'm demonstrating, or I just demonstrated to you. So I will thank each and everyone for making it up to date with Creative Studios and subscribing to this great channel for any new content uploaded. Okay, tell a friend to tell a friend that there is a channel called Creative Studios 132 that gives basic knowledge and tutorial about on Adobe Photoshop. Okay, do not forget to subscribe once again. See you next time. Bye bye.